In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Google Classroom banner in Canva. By the end, you'll have a correctly sized banner designed in Canva and saved as a PNG or JPG, ready to upload to your Google Classroom. First, open Canva. You can do this in your web browser or the desktop app. Wait for the Canva home screen to load so you can start a new design. Next, click Create a Design. You'll see a menu of preset sizes, but for a clean Google Classroom header, we want an exact size. Select Custom Size. This lets you define the banner dimensions so it fits properly without stretching or cropping. Enter 1000 by 250 pixels. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, not inches or millimeters. This 1000 by 250 pixel size fits the Google Classroom banner area well and helps keep text sharp. Click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas at the correct dimensions in a new tab or window. Now, click Elements to add shapes, icons, or illustrations. On the left sidebar, open Elements and search or browse for simple shapes, lines, or icons that match your class theme. Click an item to add it to the canvas, then drag to position it, and use the corner handles to resize. Keep important visuals toward the center and leave a little space at the edges so nothing looks cramped on different screens. Next, click Text to add your class name. Choose a text style or click. Add a heading, then type the class name directly on the canvas. Adjust the font size so it's readable at a glance. Use the toolbar at the top to change alignment, letter spacing, and position. Center the text both horizontally and vertically if that matches your layout, and avoid placing text too close to the edges so it won't feel cut off in the header area. Customize colors, fonts, and layout. Click any shape, icon, or text to change its color using the color picker. Choose fonts that are clean and easy to read. Maintain strong contrast between your background and text so the class name stands out. If you're using multiple elements, align them neatly and keep a consistent style. A simple, uncluttered layout works best for a long, narrow banner. Add images or graphics if needed. If you want a background image or a small graphic, place it on the canvas and resize it to fit the 1000 by 250 space. Keep images subtle so they don't compete with your class name. You can lower the transparency of a background image to improve text readability, and make sure any graphic elements do not crowd the center line where your title appears. When your design looks good, click Share. You'll find this at the top right of the editor. Select Download. This opens the export settings for your banner. Choose PNG or JPG. PNG preserves crisp text and graphics with solid colors, while JPG creates a smaller file size. Either format works well for a Google Classroom banner, so pick the one that suits your needs. Click Download. Canva will process the file and save it to your device. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a folder you can find easily. Once the download completes, your banner file is ready to upload to your Google Classroom. That's it. Your Google Classroom banner is now created at the correct size in Canva and downloaded as an image, ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.